We're here at Jolt Bakery Cafe in Emu Park. We've been around for nearly 10 years now. We're by the beautiful Emu Park seaside, right next to Bell Park where we have the beautiful markets. We've got quite a few regulars that come here often. Macca is famous here, he comes in every single day. Yeah, we have quite a few regulars, different crowd, a lot of travellers around winter time. A lot of the southerners come up and spend their winters up here in the beautiful sunshine. We did get like quite a few new tables and chairs just to fit more customers because we're really busy lately, which is good. But yeah, we're kind of fitting as many people as we can in with our beautiful space. We are quite a fresh cafe and we've got nice new beautiful furniture, wooden furniture to match the ambiance of the cafe. I think it's a lot more sustainable to get a long-lasting product, especially such beautiful furniture here. And we have a lot of kids come into our cafe and they're quite rough with everything, and I've never seen a chair break here. So if you haven't been to Emu Park before or Jolt Bakery Cafe, I would recommend coming down. You'll be very pleasantly surprised. We are beautiful down here.